To reassemble the switch, we flip the unit over, orient it so this is pointing upwards. We take the small switch with the hole. We take the spring, insert it into the hole, insert the ball on top, holding it down firmly with your finger. Align it so it goes in these small grooves right here, and press down, and it is installed. To reinstall the housing unit for the light bulb, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, and to orient this correctly, then take the spring, place it back into the hole, take the small thin piece of metal here, layer it on top carefully, oops, some technical difficulties here. Okay, then where this metal plate scratches, we will orient this correctly and layer it on top. And if you see the plastic connectors here, you should be able to apply pressure and it will snap into place. And same for the other side. Firm, gentle pressure. Oh, there you go, snaps in. There should be 2 screws. They should go right into the slots here. And screw right in, and here. Okay. Now you can insert the light bulb into the assembly unit. Mine is damaged and needs to be replaced. I attempted to repair it with Gorilla Glue, and it worked for quite a while. However, it gets slotted into the contraption here, like so, and you just firmly press down. Now, I would suggest wearing gloves and or wiping off the light bulb after installing it so it does not catch fire, heat up, or whatever. To reconnect the electrical connector, you can take the assembly unit, and there are 3 prongs in here. It should, just by dangling, be able to hook back up into it. Just make sure it is oriented correctly as such when you do so. To reinstall the light switch assembly, you're going to want to be very careful with these metal tabs. They should sit up in right, and with a firm, gentle press and pull sideways, it should snap back into place. To reinstall the plastic cover, there are 2 plastic slots, one here and one here, and they line up with the 2 lips on this plastic assembly here and here. Hard to see, I know. And they should, 2 plastic lips, should line up along with the plastic guards right there and there. Should slide in and pop right in, and that is it. That concludes the concise tutorial of removing, disassembling the dome light assembly.